Hey everyone, it's Mr. Hogan and Ricky here, and I'm here with my friend Ben. And I know that we've been talking about this very special contest that we have to try to get people that are in our hybrid program to make it to class on time. And I know that that's very hard to do sometimes, but Ben, you and your family have a very special method. Can you show us what you brought with us today and how you get to class on time when you're at home?
Mm-hmm. I brought my head timer, and the longest it goes is for 1 hour. That's right here. And then my parents set it since I don't know how to tell time. And usually I have 1 or 2 minutes. It's before my class, and once it goes off, then I've got a minute or two, and I play with my toys but when this timer goes off, that's when I have to log on to my class. And I know how to log on myself, or my parents do it.
Wow, Ben, so that means that's how you get to class on time.
Mm-hmm.
And you haven't missed any of your classes because of that.
Nope.
Wow, so this is a really great system. Thank you, Ben, for this great tip.
You're welcome.
Have a great day, everyone.
Thank you. Bye.